Good day and welcome to Flip TV News. My name is Tolulokpe. Isaac FAYOSE slams WIKE and TINUBU over 39 billion naira ICC renovation. This is ego construction. In a video shared online, FAYOSE expressed outrage at the scale of the expenditure, calling it a case of ego construction rather than meaningful national development. The ICC was constructed from scratch in 1991 for 240 million naira, he said. Now, in 2025, we are spending 39 billion naira just to renovate the same building, rewriting history with paint and bricks. FAYOSE questioned the rationale behind the massive renovation budget, especially at a time when Nigerians are battling rising inflation and economic hardship. This isn't about preserving a legacy or national pride, he stated. This is about rewriting history with paint, bricks, and personal branding. He accused the government of prioritizing optics over substance, warning that such decisions reflect misplaced national values. There's a deeper issue here, FAYOSE argued. It's not just about the money, it's about what we value as a nation. While millions of Nigerians struggle to survive, billions are being poured into vanity projects. Controversial name change. The newly renovated facility has also been renamed the Bola Ahmed Tinubu International Conference Center, a move that has drawn criticism from various quarters. Critics argue that renaming public monuments after sitting presidents fuels a culture of self-glorification, especially when public sentiment is strained by economic challenges. FAYOSE's remarks have since gone viral, igniting debate online about government spending, leadership priorities, and the symbolism of public infrastructure. Thank you for listening to Flip TV News. Do enjoy the rest of your day.
ICC International Conference Center was built in 1991. It was built by General Muhammadu Babangida for 240 million naira. I repeat, 240 million naira. From the scratch, from the ground, not renovation. Babangida built that place from the scratch with 240 million naira. Let's fast forward 2025. They spent over 30 billion to renovate the place. Just renovation, 30 billion naira. That's what they spent. Even Babangida will build the place. Babangida didn't name the place after himself because he knows it's our national monument. He did not name the place after himself. He called the place International Conference Center. People will come renovate with billions. Just renovation, no be say then change the structure. The minister will renovate with billions, over 30 billion, can't change the name to their own name. Person will build that, no name after his own name. Person will renovate for billions, so then build that place for 240 million. Then renovate them for 39 billion. After renovating, either they here, they can't change the name, can't name them after themselves. Just 2 years in power. See, inflation, they go up. Everything, they go up. Everything is going up. They don't care about what is going on. All they care about is naming, taking, naming, putting people on their side, ruling. Person will build down, IDB. No, he didn't name it. He didn't name the place after himself. He named the place International. Like every other country have their international. But you now renovate for billions. People where they press WIKE and renovation, then they commission renovation. They renovate the commission.